If you're over 65 and love to travel, this one's for you. Because whether it's a long-awaited vacation, a family reunion, or that dream cruise departure, there are some travel habits and items that have quietly become outdated. And believe it or not, keeping them could be costing you time, comfort, or even money. So today, we're going to break down the 15 outdated travel items seniors should ditch right now, and what to replace them with for smoother, safer, and more enjoyable flying. Stay until the end, because tip number 15 might just save you hundreds on your next trip. Section 1. Introduction. Why travel smarter after 65? Traveling after 65 is different, and in the best way. You've got experience, you know what you like, and you've earned your comfort. But the world of travel has changed fast. Technology, luggage design, airline rules, even TSA regulations have evolved in ways that make many old-school items totally unnecessary now. Keeping up isn't about trends. It's about saving energy, staying organized, and making flying stress-free. So, grab your coffee or your boarding pass, and let's start decluttering your travel bag. Section 2. Outdated travel items you need to ditch. 1. Heavy suitcases without spinner wheels. If your suitcase tips, leans, or feels like you're dragging a brick, it's time to upgrade. 4-wheel spinner suitcases glide effortlessly in every direction. They're lighter, easier on your back and shoulders, and make navigating airports so much easier. Upgrade tip. Look for a lightweight polycarbonate model with a telescopic handle. It's worth every penny. 2. Bulky carry-ons with no USB port. Airports are full of travelers hunting for outlets like it's a scavenger hunt. Don't be one of them. If your carry-on doesn't have a built-in USB charging port or pocket for a power bank, it's outdated. Upgrade tip. A smart carry-on with an external USB port lets you charge your phone while waiting in line or during boarding. 3. Neck pillows that don't support your chin. That classic U-shaped pillow? It's time to retire it. Most of them push your head forward and don't actually prevent nodding. Newer designs wrap around your neck or under your chin for full support. Perfect for long flights where comfort matters most. Upgrade tip. Look for 360 degrees neck support pillows made of memory foam or inflatable designs with adjustable firmness. 4. Paper boarding passes and printed itineraries. Paper boarding passes are so last decade. Airlines now allow fully digital boarding passes, faster, safer, and harder to lose. Upgrade tip. Save your pass in your smartphone's wallet app or screenshot it. And if you're nervous about tech, ask the airline staff. They'll gladly show you how. 5. Forgetting a portable charger. Nothing ruins a travel day faster than a dead phone. You need your boarding pass, gate info, and emergency contacts. If you still rely solely on airport outlets, you're setting yourself up for stress. Upgrade tip. Carry a 10,000 milliamp hours power bank, enough for 2 to 3 full charges. Lightweight, TSA approved, and a total lifesaver. 6. Dress shoes or uncomfortable travel footwear. Leave the stiff dress shoes or lace-heavy sneakers at home. Security checks mean shoes off, and comfort matters on long walks through terminals. Upgrade tip. Go for slip-on walking shoes or breathable sneakers with cushioning soles. Bonus points for compression socks to reduce swelling on long flights. 7. Basic luggage locks without TSA approval. If your luggage lock doesn't have the TSA keyhole symbol, it can be cut open during inspection, and you'll never see that lock again. Upgrade tip. Use TSA-approved combination locks. They keep your bag secure, but still accessible to inspectors when needed. 8. Oversized toiletry bottles. That big shampoo bottle? TSA will confiscate it. Carry-on liquids must be 3.4 ounces or less, all in one quart-sized clear bag. Upgrade tip. Buy a travel-sized refillable bottle set, silicone squeeze bottles, leak-proof caps, and all TSA compliant. 9. Heavy books. Paperbacks are nostalgic, but they weigh down your bag. And if you finish at mid-flight, you're stuck with dead weight. Upgrade tip. Use a Kindle or tablet. You can store dozens of books and magazines, adjust the font size, and save luggage space. 10. Wired headphones. Untangling cords mid-flight is frustrating. Most newer planes support Bluetooth, or you can use an adapter. Upgrade tip: switch to noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones. They're ideal for blocking cabin noise and improving sleep quality. 11. Thick jackets instead of layered outfits. Airports are warm. Airplanes are cold. One bulky jacket doesn't adapt well. Layering lets you stay comfortable anywhere. Upgrade tip: pack a lightweight fleece or travel cardigan in a compact rain shell. Bonus: they double as pillows on flights. 12. Traditional money belts. The old-school money belt under your shirt? Outdated and honestly inconvenient. Thieves know about them, and airport security sometimes flags them. Upgrade tip: get a RFID blocking travel wallet or neck pouch that sits discreetly outside your clothing. 13. Large cameras. Unless you're a professional photographer, you don't need a bulky DSLR. Modern smartphones take amazing travel photos, and they're lighter, faster, and discreet. Upgrade tip: use a smartphone lens kit for wide-angle or macro shots if you want that professional look. 14. Paper maps and printed directions. We get it, paper maps feel reliable, but they're impractical, especially when airports, cities, and routes update constantly. Upgrade tip: use offline GPS apps like Google Maps Offline or Maps.me. Download maps before your flight. No Wi-Fi needed. 15. Carrying medications in loose bottles. Loose pills or unmarked bottles can cause confusion at TSA. Keep things simple. Upgrade tip: use a labeled weekly pill organizer. And always bring a small copy of your prescription list, just in case of delays or loss. Section 3. Hidden comfort upgrades for seniors. Now that you've cleared out the outdated stuff, let's talk upgrades that make your travel experience much smoother. 1. Lightweight compression socks. Reduce swelling and fatigue on long flights. 2. Foldable footrest. Hooks onto your tray table and keeps circulation healthy. 3. Portable seat cushion. Airplane seats are notoriously thin. Your back will thank you. 4. Smartwatch or fitness band. Track steps, heart rate, and even alerts you to stand or stretch mid-flight. 5. Digital medical ID on your phone. Add your health info to your phone's emergency contact screen. Life-saving in rare emergencies. These aren't luxury. They're smart comfort and safety choices. Section 4. TSA and security tips for seniors. Security can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few things many senior travelers don't know. 1. TSA cares. If you're over 75 or have medical devices, you can request assistance. TSA will help you through screening discreetly. 2. Keep medications separate. TSA allows medically necessary liquids over 3.4 ounces if you declare them. 3. Wear easy-on shoes. Remember, many seniors can skip shoe removal if age 75 or older. 4. Travel light. Every pound matters. A lighter bag means less strain when lifting into overhead bins. Section 5. Bonus. Hidden senior travel discounts. Here's the fun part. Many airlines still offer senior discounts. They just don't advertise them. Airlines like American, Delta, and Southwest have special fares for seniors, often up to 55% off, but you have to ask or check their senior fares section online. Also check 1. AARP Travel Center. Exclusive flight, hotel, and car rental discounts. 2. Booking portals like Expedia Senior Deals. They often list limited-time offers. And yes, these can stack with loyalty points, meaning you can save and earn miles. Section 6. Packing checklist. Modern traveler. Here's your modern, streamlined checklist for flying after 65. Lightweight spinner suitcase, smart carry-on with charger, digital boarding pass compression socks, RFID, wallet, refillable toiletry bottles, power bank travel pillow, chin support, prescription organizer, Bluetooth headphones, layers for temperature changes. This list keeps you light, efficient, and comfortable. Section 7. Closing. Travel smart, travel free. Travel doesn't have to be exhausting. It should be exciting. The world is easier to explore than ever, and with the right tools, flying after 65 can be smoother than it's ever been. So before your next trip, take 10 minutes to declutter your suitcase and ditch those outdated travel habits for good. Because when you travel smarter, you travel freer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's getting ready to travel soon. Safe skies, smart travels, and I'll see you in the next video.